Whoa, this city's frozen like my brain during math class.
Yup, and all those cars completely snowed in, going nowhere fast.
Wait, what's that beast rolling in?
That's our hero, a snow remover machine clearing the chaos.
Look at it go! It's eating snow like it's late for lunch.
It's not just pushing snow, it's saving the city, one street at a time.
Okay, but how is it not slipping? I can't even walk on my balcony in winter.
They've got heavy-duty tires and trained drivers, unlike you, Captain Flip and Fall.
Hey, I slipped once. Okay, or maybe twice.
Fun fact, clearing snow quickly helps prevent accidents and keeps traffic flowing safely.
And also helps impatient people like me get their pizza deliveries on time.
And just like that, roads are clear and the city starts rolling again.
Woohoo!
Like, share, comment, subscribe to QTP Learn and Fun.